Did you know that today BI is only used by about 28% of potential end users? This, according to a research note from Gartner Incorporated, entitled Business Intelligence Purchase Drivers and Adoption Rates, 2009 Survey Results, published by Bill Hostman on September 4th of 2009. For too long, BI tools have been relegated to a small number of specialized users in an organization. It's time for a change. Hello, my name's Tom Casey. I'm the General Manager for SQL Server Business Intelligence at Microsoft. Our customers are looking for ways to make better, more informed decisions throughout their organization. At Microsoft, we're focused on bringing BI to the more than 70% of underserved users throughout every company. The way to do that is by bringing BI to users in the tools they're familiar with every day. And this is consistent with the feedback that we got from our customers and our partners in planning for the releases of SQL Server 2008 R2 and Office 2010. In Office 2010 and SQL Server 2008 R2, we're bringing some exciting new capabilities to our customers to enable them to do more BI on their own at all levels of the organization. It's not just about C-level executives and analysts. It's about the everyday end user who typically starts and finishes their analytics and reporting in a familiar tool like Microsoft Excel. Consider for a moment that there are more than 500 million users of Microsoft Office. If we can bring better business intelligence directly in Excel to just 5% of those users, that's an increase of over 25 million BI practitioners out there. And that's a pretty big deal. And that's exactly what we're focused on with Microsoft SQL Server 2008 R2 and Office 2010. In Office 2010, with Power Pivot for Excel, we've added the capability for end users to mash up and create their own BI solutions directly in Excel, a tool they already know and are familiar with. And we've backed that with the power of Power Pivot for SharePoint and SQL Server 2008 R2 to enable IT to provide a sound data infrastructure on which to reliably manage that data and the analysis that users do. IT gets the ability to provide oversight into how data is being used and what solutions are being built in the organization. And end users are empowered to make decisions every day with a familiar tool they already know, Microsoft Excel. One of the most exciting trends in business intelligence today is the combination of social software and collaboration with BI tools. More and more organizations want to deliver their analyses and reports out to a broad set of users in a company. And how do they do that? They do that through their portal. Increasingly, SharePoint has become a portal of choice for users in more organizations. With Power Pivot for SharePoint, IT can now create an environment that allows users to access data and reports, reuse that information, and conduct analyses on their own very quickly, all the while maintaining control and an understanding over how data is being used and who's accessing what information in the organization. These are exciting changes. Building BI directly into the familiar tools people use every day like Microsoft Excel and allowing them to collaborate and share and communicate the insights and their findings throughout the organization with Microsoft SharePoint Server really will take BI to a new level of penetration throughout all kinds of organizations. It's something our customers have told us they're excited about. It's something we're very excited about too. It's time for a change in the way people do business intelligence. With these releases, organizations can bring great new experiences and empowerment to their end users on a familiar IT infrastructure that's more manageable and cost-effective. We think you'll be excited about it too. Thank you.